Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So another video on ticker symbol BBIG, which is for Winco Ventures, and the stock was up 13%. Even after hours, it is up 1.7%, almost 15% just in one day. So whether you are a day trader, swing trader, even for long-term holder, a nice day for you, and congratulations. Even in my private community, like for day traders, we had this BBIG ticker. You can see that we had two entries, 1 and 0.87, and we had some profit targets for 1.1, 1.25, and so on. And it did a nice move after the market opened. It came back almost like 1.04, and from there it moved all the way to 1.25, which is like 20% move. We also had another big movers today, INM. You can see that in the morning we had the 14 break as a potential entry, and you can see that it break 14, came back and bounced that 14 area and moved 38% all the way high of the day. So another big trade. So anyway, if you want to be part of my community, please join my Patreon so that you can get access to my private community, just $9 per month, and the link will be in the description, also in the first comment. So let's talk about BBIG. First of all, I'm going to talk about a lot of things, but before that, look at the 1 hour chart and see how this thing is shaping up, right? It went up all the way to 1.9, came down, moved sideways for so long, held a nice support around 0.86, 0.9, and now this is the time it should go back up. If you look at today's volume, the volume was not that like so nice, because this is just the average volume, which is 37 million volume. But if you look at the volume day by day, definitely this is the bigger volume, because last week the volume was nothing, like 8 million, 4 million, 7 million, right? So today more volume came, and the price action is also looking very bullish. So that's a good thing. Now the most interesting thing I like here is, if you look at the option chain, the next option expiry date, which is 16th of September, look at the concentration for 1, 1.5, and 2. The current price is 1.13, but look for the strike price of 1.5 and 2. The open interest is still very high, right? So these people are betting something big. If you come down here, call is 54,000, put is only 8,000. So lots of open interest for on the call side. The IV is really high, lots of demand, things are looking really nice. The only thing, when I look at Ortex, the utilization is 89.8%, meaning that still there are some shares available to short, but the short interest is still very high, 17%. It was at 1.18-19%, but not bad. It is moving sideways with 17% short interest. If you go to Fintel, 17.3%, off exchange short interest 44%. Okay. And as per Fintel, there is no shares available to short. So anyway, let's talk about the price action now. See the big pictures. First of all, it was moving between 0.87, 0.9, and 1.1 for so long. It was moving, some people say barcoding, anyway. So the good thing is, this morning it went over this 1.1, made a nice push all the way to 1.22. And why 1.22? This is another question. You can see that we had our second target, profit target, at 1.25, and the line is coming right from here. You see here the top 1.2, and also you look at 1.25, the line here, right? So we had some kind of profit target, right? So anyway, it went there, came down, but the good thing is it never came below 1.1. So 1 was the previous resistance. Now if it becomes the new support, that is really good, because from that it can build on the uptrend, making higher high and higher low. So hopefully it can go over 1.25, then it's gonna move all the way towards 1.4, 1.5, and we will see. But anyway, it's a nice day. If you look at the chart, I'm really liking it, because you can see how this thing is moving. Now if you want to see some other indicators, like let's look at MACD. Oh, I have so many indicators here. So let me close some of the indicators. I just want to show you a few other things here. So I'm going to close everything, and I'm going to bring back MACD here. So if you look at the MACD on a daily chart, let's see how we are doing, right? So if you look at the MACD here on a daily chart, you can see that the buying pressure decreased, then a little selling pressure, and today the blue line is over the orange line, meaning that things are getting bullish and buying pressure is coming back. We have to see. If you go back to the RSI, which is relative strength index, you can also see that Look at here, on a daily basis it went up too much when the price was 1.96, came down, and now it is curling back up. So you can look at daily, even if you look at 1 hour time frame, you can see that, right? So anyway, we will talk a lot about this. Hopefully tomorrow pre-market we will follow up again. Do not forget Tuesday, the CPI data will come, a very, very important thing, because it can shake the market. If the inflation numbers are lower, then the market will move, and if the inflation numbers are bad, market will come down, and BBIG is part of the market, right? So things can change, but anyway, we will keep an eye. And each morning, as you know, that around 9 o'clock Eastern time, I come up with a day trade ideas just for you, for my private community, with different ticker symbol. Look at the name, their different entry prices and your profit target. So basically entry and exit. If you want to be part of my community, just spend $9 per month or become a VIP 25 per month and get access to my private community. So let me know your thoughts about BBIG, and if you have made money with this particular stock, let me know. I would love to hear that. At the same time, if you find this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.